Good day and what is up, moneymakers? Before hopping into today's video, I'd like to say thank you for 100 subscribers. I started this YouTube channel around 7 months ago, and I am happy to see our community grow at this rate. If you would like to help out, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and check out our Discord server using the links in the description. Our Discord server and community is the platform that I am most active on, but I still try to answer all of your inquiries here on YouTube as soon as possible. It has been around 1 year since I started my investment journey on Robinhood. There have been many highs and lows, but one thing for certain is that I have gained valuable and irreplaceable knowledge from this experience. Without further ado, let's hop into this review by looking at my 1 year gains. As shown, my account grew over $7,336.31, or 261.76% in the past year. I initially started out with $1,500 in my investment account. However, due to Robinhood's platform, it shows my initial investment as $2,802. This is just the $1,500 principal investment with the additional $1,300 settled cash in my account. This settled cash was money I had set aside every few months for investment. Putting aside any cash to later invest or just to have on the side is never a bad idea. By putting away $108.50 every month, you will have an extra $1,302 set aside for investing or a personal treat for being a proactive saver. Because of this saved money, my portfolio's total value is $10,139 instead of $8,827. Keep in mind that this is after paying a couple of $100 in taxes as well. Now, let's move on to the breakdown of the total portfolio value. The total value of my portfolio is $10,139.05, fluctuating a couple of cents here and there because of my cryptocurrency. $8,827.83 is tied up in stocks. $1,305.29 is settled cash earning interest through Robinhood Cash Management, and $5.94 is in cryptocurrency. Breaking down my cryptocurrency, the $5.94 is only in Doge. I am the proud owner of 105 Dogecoins, a total of $2.05 return on a $3.89 investment. To break down the settled cash value, I had explained this earlier. Specifically, you would need to set aside $108.78 per month for a whole year to end up with $1,305.29. Breaking down the stocks is going to take a bit longer, so just bear with me. Just a quick heads up that I did not buy all these shares on the same days, rather they are spaced out throughout the entire year. To start off, we have Tesla. My initial investment was $1,014.45. You can determine this a few ways. One way is multiplying the shares by the average cost. Another way is taking the total return and subtracting it from the equity. When I had made this initial investment, I had spent $1,014.45 on one share of Tesla. However, you can see now that I have 5 shares at an average cost of $202.89 due to a stock split. One of the next videos I release will cover stock splits and reverse stock splits. This investment netted me a total return of $2,478.10. Now moving on to Disney. My initial investment was $615.04. I purchased 5 shares at an average cost of $123.01. At the time of recording this, Disney is trading at $197.65, placing my total return at $373.21. My initial Boeing investment was $1,019.17. Now, my equity is $1,260, netting me a total return of $240.03. For JP Morgan and Chase, my initial investment was $197.82, netting me a total return of $116.31, placing my equity at $314.13. Moving on to American Express, My initial investment was $182.62. My total returns are $110.47, and that places my equity at $300.09. For Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, my initial investment was $284.67. My total returns are $82.58, placing my equity at $367.25. Next up on the list, we have Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. My initial investment was $156.21. My total return was $53.36, which places my equity at $209.57. Next, we have Microsoft. For Microsoft, I initially invested $424.46 with a total return of $53.36, places my equity at $477.82. Next on the list is Wells Fargo. My initial Wells Fargo investment was $84.68 with a return of $33.60, which places my equity at $118.28. Now back to the Vanguard's Vanguard High Dividend ETF. My initial investment was $82.82 with a total return of $19.21, places my equity at $102.03. The next stock we will be reviewing is Coca-Cola, which is personally my favorite soda. My initial investment in Coca-Cola was $136.71. I have a total return of $18.57 with a total equity of $115.28. Just a quick side note, I have definitely spent more than $18.57 on Coca-Cola in the past year, so therefore I technically didn't really make anything with this investment. Next stock we have is Cleveland Cliffs. This was one of my free stocks I got from my friend signing up on Robinhood. If you'd like to get a free stock, you can use the link I'll put in the description. When I first received this stock, it was trading around $4, but now it is worth over $16, almost $17. Now we have my PowerShares S&P 500 High Dividend ETF, which I initially invested $70.94 in with a return of $16.32. And that places my equity at $87.26. Next is Stag Industrial. For Stag Industrial, my initial investment was $57 flat. With a return of $10.26, this places my equity at $67.26. Next is Realty Income, since I definitely don't have enough money for my own house or real estate yet. My initial investment in Realty Income was $250.73 with a return of $4.08, places my equity at $254.81. On to my last profitable investment and the last three stocks in my portfolio, we have Cisco Systems. My initial investment was $47.05. I have a total return of $4.08, which places my equity at $49.64. For my first negative investment, we have Merrick. I am down $4.62. Additionally, on my investments that have lost me money is Apple. I'm not bashing Apple or anything. It's just how this stock has been playing out, and I bought into it a bit late. I'm down a total of $14.97 on Apple, but I have around $500 invested. I hope you all enjoyed this portfolio breakdown. Again, I would just like to add, thank you for 100 subscribers. I'm looking forward to creating future content for you all and seeing how far this channel will go. We've already come a long way, but let's push it further. Join our Discord community using the links in the description to get in touch. And as always, have a great day.